Hello guys, the Yamaha DX27 offers a function known as bank select, which is pretty convenient for organizing your tones in any order you want. It doesn't hold the entire tone, but it holds the number of the tone, and you can mix and match the preset sounds along with the internal sounds and select them. Basically, bank select to play is very simple. You have here bank A, bank B, bank C, and bank D, and over here you have the 24 buttons. So there's 24 tones within A, B, C, and D to give you a total of 96 sounds in the bank select. And as I said, you can set up the number to be anything you want, from the preset sounds or from the user sounds. It's very easy. And I'll show you how to store both a preset sound and an internal sound side by side in the bank select. So in order to do that, the first thing you would want to do is select Edit Bank. Now Edit Bank is in the function menu, so we press the function key, and then we come over here and we see that we have an edit button. Edit Bank here is number 8. And over here, when we press it, we have Edit Bank with a question mark. So we have to press the yes button here. And when we do that, it asks us bank A to D. So let us press bank A. And when we press bank A, we see FA1, which means that we're in bank A and we're on number 1. Now suppose we wanted to put the internal number 4 into that slot. When we're in this mode, our data entry slider cycles through all the tones. As you can see there, that's happening, right? We're going through all the tones. Now at the bottom is the internal voices, and then above that are the presets. So we're going to put our number, we're going to put the E piano 2 They go by rather fast, but there we have the E piano 2 into this first button. So all we need to do that is to press the internal button once we've selected it, and the F changes to a PA, and that is stored in that slot. Now if we would like to put a different tone into number 2, we repeat the process. We press the function button, and once again we see Edit Bank, but if we don't see it, if we've done other things in the meantime, we can just come back over there and press number 8 and get it. And we will see the Edit Bank. And then what we do here is we press the yes button, and once again it asks us bank A to D, and then we press the bank we want to program, and we see our piano 2 there, but that's in 1. So now we want to program 2. So we press 2. Now 2 is the upright piano, but we don't want the upright piano. We're going to select another voice by moving the slider. The slider is what we move. As we move the slider, we go through all the voices very fast. So it's a bit of a fiddle to select it, but suppose we would prefer to put in the wow. It's on the wow right now. So we want the wow to be our second button. So all we have to do is press the internal and the wow becomes our second button. Now when we select bank A, we're already in bank A. If we went to bank B or bank A, we have the piano on 1 and the wow on 2. So that's how you program the edit bank. And you can use these bank play mode to set up the buttons however you want. Remember, the tone, whether preset or internal, is still in the correct memory. It's only storing the number in the appropriate button. So enjoy using the edit bank on your DX27 and see you in the next video.